Actually, he's not as bad in them as most dogs are.
Come here.
That's because he's played around in them for a
When he
while.
first had him on, it was. I got grip. You don't slide anymore into the wall.
Come here, come to mama.
What you got? You got them boots on? You got them fancy boots?
While mom tries to find the one that he has taken and
Run
hidden.
under there.
He's like, 1 down, 3 to go.
They didn't find it.
Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here. Come here. I found his leash. I found where he hid it. Sneaky leash. Oh, hopefully I can put it in.
He's like, I want to play, but I want these off my feet.
What's that thing?